Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is my second annual FabFitFun box for summer 2023. The box is probably 5 times the size of my first annual box, so let's get in here and see why this one's so much bigger. Two annual FabFitFun subscriptions, and I know that my first box is usually going to come in a big brown box because that's where I do all of my additional selections. When we go through customizations, I usually have a lot of additional selections. Plus, it's also where I do my add-ons, that kind of thing. So I know that sometimes that box is smaller because they put it in a bigger brown box. This year, comparatively, it is tiny. Compared to this. I don't even remember making choices that would make us need a box this big. So we're going to dig right into it. I don't think it's going to fit on my table. We're going to have to move it to the floor once I get it open. But I believe other than one additional selection, this is just my normal box. I didn't do a bunch of additional selections in here. Get it open. I guess I did order big things. This thing is full, so let me set it over here on the floor. When you open your FabFitFun box, we no longer have the magazine. They've gone to a digital magazine. You just beep the QR code with your tablet, your phone, whatever you want, and it will give you all of the information you need. On the back, we have a scratcher. I will scratch this at the end. I learned last season, and I forgot to say it in the first video, I think. If you just scratch this, it will say, sorry, you're not a winner. I mean, go ahead. If it's more fun for you to scratch the little dots, make it fun for you. I did not win with my first one. We'll try and remember to scratch that at the end of this one. In the first unboxing, which I keep referencing, I went through all of the choices that you could have made in each customization. We won't do that this time. So if this is the first one you're seeing and you prefer to know what all of your choices could have been in each customization, I will put a link right here. I think it's right here. Is it here? No, I think it's here. That will take you back over to the first one where I give you all the information. Other than that, we're just going to jump right into this one. Right away, we know one of the big things I chose is in customization 1, and it is the Kate Spade New York lemon pitcher, what they call it, lemon pitcher and set of cups, and it has a $38.95 value. And I said when I got it, I didn't really get the pitcher for the purpose of using it as a water pitcher. When we are done using our Blackstone out back, you put a lot of water on it and scrape it, and that's the easiest way to clean it. And I thought filling this up and giving it to my husband to use for that purpose would make sense. But you know what? We don't use anywhere near, it doesn't take anywhere near this much water for that. So I may go ahead and use it for a pitcher. Nice plastic pitcher to take out back because we are in the season. Before it gets too hot, it does get to the point where during the day it is too hot, and during the night it is too mosquito-y to sit out back. But until we get to that part, we like it out there, and having this to take out is probably a great idea. I don't know how much we'll use the cups, but the pitcher will probably get used. And I will not understand. You could not make me understand it when I did spoilers, and I'm not understanding it anymore now that I'm seeing it in person. These cups are such a mismatch. Love the pitcher. Love the lemons, like the size. As I recall, it's not 2 quarts. If I remember right, it was 52 ounces. That's okay. That's more than enough for my husband and I. I will probably, honestly, do with the lemons on it, I will probably put water in it with sliced lemons in it because that's a lot of what we drink around here. But the cups are pink. Why? 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 These might get used. The kids might use these. This will definitely get used, I'm sure, by my husband and I. This has nothing to do with this. They just threw these in. They should have been clear or yellow or even the green. Why? Okay, I'll let it go. But just for the record, this is super cute. I like the way the handle feels on it. It's got the nice pour spout. I think you can turn. Yeah, you can turn so you can pour out of it and then cover it back up so that if there are buggies around, they won't get down in it. It's adorable. Yes, technically, I really did order big stuff in this box. This is the short stories. What did they call it? The tray. I have to tell you, holding it in my hand, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. And it had a $40 value. Short stories ceramic tray. I think I will like this a lot, and I hope that it is this big. I love the thoughts of how useful it will be if it is truly this big. I thought it was going to be smaller than this, and it was going to be more of like a trinket tray. But I just had a party the other day, and I could have used more things like this to, I was looking for somewhere to put all the different crackers that I wanted to set out with charcuterie. And this behind my, oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. This behind my charcuterie board, because of the dip in it that I didn't realize how deep it was, with crackers in it, would have been amazing. Is it prettier like that? Short Stories is a FabFitFun branded, it's a FabFitFun brand. So it is in-house and the value is assigned by them. It is very nice. If I came across this in Home Goods, would I spend $40 on it? No. No, I would not. You would spend at Home Goods probably, guess with me below. Tell me what you think. I mean, that's how big it is. And it's nice and deep. I like it. And the heft on it, I like it a lot. It feels like the stoneware is raw between the painted blue parts. It feels like raw stoneware. It will be interesting to see how that washes up. $14.95? That's what I'm gonna guess. I think $14.95. Let me know below what you guys think it would be at Home Goods. So $40, considering it's not branded, it's just a FabFitFun brand, is a little pricey. That said, I love the size of this and it will absolutely get used. Customization 3 in this one, I chose the water bottle. I use my Stanleys and I do take my Stanleys when we go out sometimes, but if we go for a walk or like to the pool, I know a lot of people take their Stanleys to the pool. If we're not there for a very long time, I'm not sure if I will, because I'd be afraid of it getting knocked over. It's just very active there. This is one of those things that I just thought was super cute. It was different from what I was getting in my other box, and I thought if I didn't love it, one of the girls would love it. It's from Pop Sugar. It is 32 ounces. They said it had a $40 value. And again, you're not spending $40 on this. You're not running into this at Home Goods. This is saying $40, and you're like, yes, thank you. It's plastic. You're running into this at Target. Let's play our game again. $12.95. And let me know, I could be completely off base with that. I can't even tell you the last time I bought something like this because I get these kinds of things in my boxes. But it does have, how do we get it open? How do we get it open? All right, I don't know if it's supposed to pop up or not, but I had to push mine in and then lift this also. But you do that and then you can drink out of that. I guess you push it back down and it locks. So are you supposed to be able to? Yeah, no, mine doesn't pop up. I have to do that and then lift it also. I don't know if as I use it, it will get more accustomed. It has the straw attached. It is single walled. It's not a double wall. I do like that it is frosted. That's a really good look. And don't get me wrong, it's got a nice strap on it. It will get used. I'm just saying I'm not buying into $40. Got your ounces over here in 4-ounce increments to 32. And it starts with ready, set, hydrate. Oh, and it gives you times. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10. Oh, so every hour. And then they have you refill it. Yeah, so every hour from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. is this last line. So 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. they have you drinking this. Ready, set, hydrate. You've got this. Get ready to glow. Cheers, you're halfway there. Drink, drink, drink. Sip, sip, hooray. Well done. Now repeat. Go ahead, you can do it. That was my choice in number 3. I am apparently hydrating this summer. Always a good thing. Choice number 4 in this one, and I'm here to tell you, I'm surprised. Everything else, I'm surprised how big it is. This, I'm kind of surprised how small it is. This is the Visor. It is the Sea and Grass Ink Visor with ribbon. It has a $35 value. If you came across this in Nordstrom, I could see perhaps that it might be that much. Let's see how it opens and how nicely it does. The ribbon is the only means of fastening it, so you really have to trust in your ability to tie a pretty bow behind your head. How are we doing so far? In theory, what you're gonna do is you're probably gonna make it fit and then you're gonna just take it on and off. You're not gonna have to tie it every time you use it. And actually, you could probably make it fit and tie it and then take it off and perfect it. That's on my hair. Why is my hair up there? Let's try again. Okay, well, it's better. I will have to play with it. I got this, again, for at the pool, that kind of thing, because I kind of, oh, there's the ribbon. Can you see it? I figured it would let the heat out because I get hot. I carry my own personal summer with me everywhere I go. I thought this would keep me shaded, but allow my heat to escape. It would roll up really easily. I get hat hair instantly. Instantly, my hat goes to hat hair. And it ties really easily. I am probably gonna untie it each time because I'm gonna want it in a tote bag. I was thinking the one that I got in add-ons, that I got the wrong color. I am taping all of this on the same day, so I can't tell you if they've been able to replace it for me yet. So you could just roll it up, tuck it in your tote bag, take it out of the pool, use it. I think it is perfect for what I got it for. In customization 5, I got the same thing that I got. I will open this as nicely as I can. I got this in my first box too. I figured somebody else in my life would like it. We all love Lily Pulitzer here. It was really, for me, the only other thing in Customization 5 that really spoke to me. It's just a cute little zippered pouch. You can open it. When you get it open, there's a divider that you can put your whatever you would like to put in here. I was saying, I don't think I would put my ID in here because I don't think I would want the world seeing all of my information, but I will find something to put in there. The other side, you could put your cards, your money, whatever you wanted. You can put your card keys on it, and you've got a little Lily Pulitzer branded thing. And then also, just like I did in my other box, I added the liquid IV for my daughter. She was interested in it. This was the passion fruit. So I signed on, did both of my boxes immediately. Actually, my husband helps me from his computer, and I got the passion fruit in both of my boxes immediately. And then I was on again in my first account when lemon lime came up. So I picked the lemon lime for that box. So this one is passion fruit, that one was lemon lime. So I have those for her, and the cute Lily Pulitzer. So those were my choices in Customization 5. In this box in Customization 6, and I have to tell you, they are cuter than I thought they were gonna be. I chose the Tom socks. I think they are supposed to be no-show socks. They are really cute. That is the tie-dye. Those are the daisies on the back. I think the ones in the middle were just a stripe, I think. Yeah, they're just kind of, can you tell? They're just kind of a minty stripe. It says it's the Tom's Ultimate No-Show Sock. They said the 3-pack has a $27.95 value. Those were my choices in this box. And in this box, I didn't do any boosts. And the only refill I did was the mystery bundle refill that I've had all along. I changed my first box to the home bundle. I left this the regular bundle. And it's tiny. It is 2302 Mystery 009. If you can find that number somewhere on your box, the shipping label, I'm not sure where it shows. If you have that number, it doesn't mean you'll have this entire bundle, but I think it means you will have one of the items in it. I have to tell you, switching over to the home bundle, best choice I made. This one has 2 Zoella makeup remover cloths. I am happy with this. I will always use more of these. I have Norwex ones that I use, but I go through them so quickly and I wash them separately that the more I have and the more I can get in a load, the better. So I will absolutely use these. I got Invisibobbles. I will put these down to put in a giveaway. I don't use them. My daughter doesn't use them in my granddaughter's hair because these tend to get tangled. It's a gorgeous color, very pretty color. We just don't use them. And next I got the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I'm sure this is what puts us over the cost that I think is $65, the cost that's guaranteed with this mystery bundle. I used to use this all the time until I started using my City Beauty Advanced Eye Cream, which has changed my life with my dark circles and everything else. I just feel like it's made such a difference with my under eye circles and the hydration that I have that I will set this aside for a giveaway. It's a great product. This is actually what I mostly used before I used my City Beauty. So that was my mystery bundle. So I'm very, very happy that in my other box, I switched over to the home bundle. I don't feel like either of my random mystery bundles, this one or the one yesterday that was in my add-ons, I don't feel like either one of those rocked my world. I feel like the one that was the home bundle was my winner this season. That had the Vera Bradley tumbler in it, the Lily Pulitzer notebook, and it's Summer and Rose, which is a FabFitFun brand, but the Summer and Rose pink super soft chenille blanket. Let me get a value for you on my choices in this box. The value of this box, my second Summer 2023 annual box, is $202. My first was $225. That does not include in either of the boxes the liquid IV because that was an $8 additional selection. I'm not counting the value of that because that's not technically what would have been part of my box. So for $59.99, the items that I chose, and there were more expensive items, the items that I chose came to $202. Let me know below how much you think like the short stories tray would be in Home Goods or the motivational bottle at Target. Let me know what you guys think the values on those would be. Thank you so much for coming by. This is the end of my FabFitFun boxes for summer 2023. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. We made it through spoilers. We got through our boxes. I am super happy. This was the first set of boxes that I did both of my boxes, and the only additional selections that I had, the only ones were the liquid IVs that I got for my daughter because she wanted them. Because I had 2 boxes, had no other additional selections. Would I have, if I only had 1 box, would I have added any of these? Yes. I would probably have added the Tom socks because socks, who doesn't need more socks? I would have added the tray, the short stories tray. Something about it when we were talking about it really spoke to me. I don't know that I would have added any of the rest of this though. I am happy to have the picture. The bottle will absolutely get used. The hat will probably get used, but would I have added them and paid more for them in another box? I don't know that I would. Let me know below what you guys thought about this season. My first box killed it. When you do like I do because of the channel and you choose a second box, this is the first season that I really felt like I kind of struggled putting a second box together. So we'll keep an eye on it. We'll see if it stays worthwhile to keep 2 boxes moving forward. I'm sure that it will. Plus, everything is subjective. This might be somebody's favorite box versus my first box. I think my first one is a 10 out of 10. I think this one's probably a 7 out of 10. Somebody else might feel the exact opposite. So it's just a matter of what speaks to you. Okay, I'll quit going on about this. Thanks again so much for coming by for FabFitFun season, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. The fun part about getting the boxes is by the time we get the box, we're already through 1 of our 3 months until we do spoilers again. I know. I live life FabFitFun season to FabFitFun season. Thanks again, guys. I hope I see you again really soon. I will put my link below. If you have any interest in FabFitFun, it will get you $10 off your first box. I hope you have a great evening, guys. Bye.